Beginning in 1999, Silver Cross Hospital recognized the outstanding accomplishments of individuals in the healthcare profession with the Silver Cross Sehring Medal of Excellence. Over the years, these pioneers helped transform Silver Cross Hospital into the state-of-the-art healthcare institution that it is today. The medal honors the memory of George H. Sehring, MD, a dedicated physician who served the community for more than 40 years. This medal is awarded to an inspiring healthcare professional for consistently providing unrivaled care and service to both patients and colleagues. And through this exceptional dedication to their craft, their contributions have enhanced their profession and community. The 2016 Silver Cross Sehring Medal of Excellence recipient is Paul Pawlak. Born in Akron, Ohio on September 6, 1949, Paul was the oldest of 4 children. His father, Henry, was the owner of Henry's Music and Jewelry Stores, and his mother, Audrey, was a registered nurse. His mom always gave Paul and his siblings chores to teach them responsibility and a strong work ethic. Paul graduated from St. Hedwig Elementary School and Revere High School in Bath, Ohio. He then graduated with a bachelor's degree in Social Science Comprehensive from the University of Cincinnati in 1971. He went on to complete a master's degree in Hospital and Health Administration from Xavier University in Cincinnati, Ohio in 1976. During a summer break in college, Paul worked as a camp counselor in Cape Cod. It was there he met his future wife, Arlene, who was also working at the camp as one of the nurses. The couple made an instant connection, and shortly into dating, Paul proposed to Arlene on the top of a Ferris wheel. On June 9, 1973, the couple wed, and they have been happily married for 43 years, cherishing every moment with their children, Matthew, Justin, Jason, and Ashley, along with their 3 grandchildren, Declan, Emerson, and Landon.
They've always been very fiery. My mom is, we like to call her a spicy meatball sometimes. But it's one of those things where their passion for what they do and who they are, and for medicine, honestly, my mother as a nurse, has been something that's really been kind of part of their DNA ever since we grew up.
So John and I look to my parents as an example. We're newlywed, and they've been just a great source of support, of love, going through the wedding process. I remember when they welcomed John into the family and his son Declan. That's always been so welcoming with open arms.
Paul's entire career has been in healthcare. He had an extensive list of leadership positions in hospitals in Massachusetts, Ohio, New York, and Illinois before becoming president and chief executive officer in 1990 at Silver Cross Hospital in Joliet, now located in New Lenox, Illinois. As the hospital's longest-serving CEO, Paul has led Silver Cross to be recognized nationally for outstanding customer service, effective cost management, and superior clinical quality, winning the prestigious 100 Top Hospitals National Award for 7 consecutive years. In addition, Silver Cross has been recognized as one of America's friendliest hospitals by the American Alliance of Healthcare Providers for several years.
I would say his greatest strength is probably his work ethic. He always claims to be not the smartest man, but the most hardworking guy. He always out-hustles everyone else. So I would claim that he instills a drive of hard work, ethics, and an entitlement to treat people right. I think you lead with your heart, and people will see that you're a genuine person.
I don't think a lot of people realize that probably 20 or 25 years ago there was a newspaper article in the Chicago Tribune that said Silver Cross Hospital wouldn't exist in 5 or 6 years. I would suggest to you that what exists today is amazing, and I think that is due in large part, if not completely, to Paul's vision for what he believed healthcare needed to be for our area.
His deep appreciation and respect for the contributions employees and physicians make every day has created a culture of excellence, caring, and compassion under his leadership.
Every Thanksgiving, he wanted to make sure that if people were working, that he was there to say thank you. I know you could be at home with your family, but I truly appreciate you being here. So he always made a point to go and be there on Thanksgiving. And as a young kid, he'd always ask me, do you want to tag along? And I'd say yes, because it's always fun to go do special things with your dad. And we'd walk the hospitals and just literally him giving people handshakes and pats on the back and saying, thank you for being here.
Through Paul's strong drive and unique ability to motivate staff, the care provided to patients has greatly enhanced over the past 2 decades. Never satisfied with the status quo, Paul has consistently challenged staff to improve the hospital's performance. One of his common sayings is, if we can measure it, we can move it.
I feel Silver Cross is a better hospital because of Paul, because of his relentless expectation of excellence and continually striving in that manner. Not only expecting that from the staff, but it starts with him at the top. And Paul's expectation for each one of us is to continually improve in whatever our situation may be, whether that's a physician on staff, a nurse on staff, the exec team, or environmental service. He expects the best from everybody, and he strives to get that.
Paul has overseen the health system's expansion to 9 ambulatory care centers through Will, Grundy, and Cook counties, as well as over $800 million in new services and facilities, including a 296-bed, $365 million replacement hospital, which opened on February 26, 2012. He is also responsible for bringing the Veterans Administration Community Outpatient Clinic, Aunt Martha's Federally Qualified Health Center, and most recently, housing for veterans and their families to the Joliet campus. Under his direction, Silver Cross formed partnerships with world-renowned academic medical facilities and organizations, including Ann and Robert H. Lurie Children's Hospital of Chicago, the Rehabilitation Institute of Chicago, the University of Chicago Medicine, Northwestern Medicine, and Advocate Physician Partners, the largest accountable care organization in the country. Throughout his 26 years at Silver Cross, Paul shared his leadership skills with many professional and community organizations. In addition to serving on the board of directors at Silver Cross Hospital, he has held the positions of chairman of the Will County Center for Economic Development and chairman of the United Way of Will County annual campaign. He's a member of the Illinois Hospital Association and the American College of Healthcare Executives. He received an honorary doctorate degree in humanities from Lewis University. When Paul has free time, he enjoys traveling and spending time with his family. Thanks to Paul Pawlak's visionary leadership to provide exceptional care and service to the residents of Will County, the Silver Cross Hospital Board of Directors proudly awards him the 2016 Silver Cross Sehring Medal of Excellence.